Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to cancel Lyft Pink membership plan. We will also put a link in the description below for other ride-sharing apps for you to sign up. To start, open the app by tapping on it. Once the app is open, you will see 3 horizontal stacked lines at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on the 3 horizontal stacked lines. On the left side menu, you will see an option for Lyft Pink. Tap on Lyft Pink. Here, you will see an option for Manage Plan. Tap on Manage Plan. On this screen, you will see an option that says Cancel Plan. Tap on Cancel Plan. Now it will ask you if you're sure to cancel the plan. Note that you will lose access to all Lyft Pink has to offer. To proceed, tap on Cancel Plan. Now your plan is cancelled. That's how you cancel Lyft Pink membership plan. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.